Warren Buffett, you know the name. But do you know the story behind the name? He is one of the most successful investors ever. His journey from a young boy with a passion for numbers to a financial titan is nothing short of extraordinary. People call him the Oracle of Omaha. This nickname isn't just a catchy title, it signifies his almost prophetic ability to predict market trends and make wise investment choices. Why? Because he makes billions. But it's not just about the money, it's about the wisdom and principles that guide his investment decisions. He also gives simple advice. Advice that cuts through the noise and complexity of the financial world. Advice that anyone can follow, even you. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Buffett's principles are accessible and practical. Buffett's strategy is about long-term growth. He believes in the power of patience and the magic of compounding interest. He doesn't chase quick money, he finds value. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals and invests in them for the long term. He invests in what he understands. This means doing thorough research and only putting money into businesses he believes in, and he holds for the long haul. This patience and discipline have been key to his success. This strategy has made him billions, but more importantly, it has created a blueprint for others to follow. It can help you build wealth, too. By following Buffett's principles, you can create a solid financial foundation and achieve your own financial goals. This essay is your guide to Buffett's wisdom. We will delve into his investment philosophy and uncover the secrets to his success. We will break down his 3 main rules. These rules are simple yet powerful, and they can transform the way you think about investing. These rules are especially helpful for new investors. They provide a solid foundation and a clear roadmap to follow. They provide a clear path, a path that is grounded in wisdom and proven by decades of success, a path that can lead to financial freedom. By embracing Buffett's principles, you can take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth. Rule number 1, invest in what you understand. This is the foundation of smart investing. It sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But simplicity doesn't mean it's easy. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, calls this staying within your circle of competence. Think of it like a game. In any game, understanding the rules and strategies is crucial. You wouldn't play a game you don't understand. You'd lose. Investing is the same. If you don't understand the rules, you're setting yourself up for failure. Don't invest in things you don't get. It's a recipe for disaster. You need to understand the business. Know what it does, how it operates, and what drives its success. You need to understand how it makes money. Is it through product sales, services, or something else? If you don't, you're just gambling. And gambling is not a strategy for building wealth. This doesn't mean you need to be an expert. You don't need a degree in finance or years of experience. It means you need to do your homework, research, learn. Take the time to educate yourself about the companies you're interested in. Understand. Then invest. Make informed decisions based on knowledge, not speculation. But only if you feel confident. If not, move on. There's no shame in passing on an investment that doesn't make sense to you. There are plenty of other fish in the sea. The stock market is vast, with countless opportunities. Find the ones that fit within your circle of competence. By investing within your circle, you increase your chances of success and reduce the risk of costly mistakes. Remember, it's not about knowing everything, but knowing enough to make smart choices. Share your knowledge, learn from others, and continuously expand your circle of competence. Investing is a journey, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it. So stay informed, stay within your circle, and watch your investments grow. Happy investing. So, how do you find your circle? Start with what you know. What products do you use every day? What brands do you love? These are good starting points. Let's say you love coffee, you drink it every day. You know all the big coffee brands, you understand the industry, this could be in your circle. Now do your research. Look at the financials of different coffee companies. Are they profitable? Are their sales growing? Do they have a strong brand? These are all important factors to consider. Rule number 2, think long-term. Buffett is famous for his buy and hold strategy. He buys stocks and holds them for years, sometimes decades. He doesn't panic when the market dips. He knows that over time, good companies go up in value. This is the opposite of day trading. Day traders try to time the market. They buy and sell quickly, hoping to make a quick buck. This is risky. Even professionals struggle with it. For most people, buy and hold is the best strategy. It's less stressful, and it's more likely to make you money in the long run. Section 5, patience and dividends. How do you think long-term? First, set clear goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Your kids' education? Knowing your goals will help you stay focused. Second, ignore the noise. The market goes up and down every day. Don't panic when it drops. This is normal. Remember your goals. Stay focused on the long term. Third, look for companies that pay dividends. Dividends are like bonuses. The company shares its profits with you. This is a great way to build wealth over time. Section 6. Finding value in the market. Rule number 3, value matters over price. This is the heart of Buffett's investing philosophy. He is a value investor. He looks for undervalued companies. Companies that are worth more than their stock price suggests. How does he find these companies? He looks at their intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is what a company is truly worth. It's based on its assets, earnings, and future potential. Finding undervalued companies takes work. You need to learn some basic valuation metrics, you need to read financial statements, and you need to be patient. But the rewards can be huge. Section 7. Intrinsic value, a simple example. Understanding intrinsic value is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Think about it like buying a used car. When you walk into a dealership, you see many cars with different price tags. The sticker price on one car is $10,000. This is the price the dealer is asking for, but you know it's worth more. It's in great condition, it has low mileage. You do some research, you check its history, maintenance records, and overall condition. You find out similar cars sell for $12,000. This means that the market value for a car in this condition is higher than the asking price. This is its intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the true worth of an asset, based on its fundamentals, not just the price tag. You buy the car for $10,000, you just found value. By paying less than the intrinsic value, you've made a smart purchase, you got a great deal. This feeling of satisfaction comes from knowing you made a wise financial decision. You paid less than it's worth. This is the essence of value investing. Value investing is the same. Instead of cars, you're looking at companies and their stocks. You're looking for companies on sale, companies whose stock prices are lower than their intrinsic value, companies whose stock price is below their intrinsic value. This takes skill. It requires research, analysis, and a good understanding of the market. But it's a skill anyone can learn. With dedication and the right resources, you can become proficient in identifying undervalued stocks and making profitable investments. Remember, the key is to look beyond the price tag and understand the true value of what you're investing in. Section 8, Apple and the 3 rules. Let's see how these rules work in the real world. Imagine you're thinking about investing in Apple back in 2003. Let's apply Buffett's rules. Rule 1. You understand Apple. You use their products. You know they make computers and iPods. Rule 2. You believe in their long-term potential. You see how technology is changing the world. Rule 3. You think Apple is undervalued. Their stock price is low, but you see their potential. You invest. You hold for the long term. What happens? Apple's stock explodes. You make a fortune. This is the power of Buffett's approach. Section 9. Why Buffett's approach works. Why does this work? Because it's based on common sense. It removes emotion from investing. It focuses on what really matters, value. Buffett's approach is about finding good companies, companies that are built to last, companies that are well managed, companies that have a competitive advantage. These companies are like thoroughbred horses. They are destined to win. This approach takes time. It takes patience. But it's the surest path to building wealth. It's how Buffett became a billionaire, and it can work for you too. Section 10. Benefits for beginners. Buffett's approach is especially good for beginners. Why? Because it simplifies investing. It removes the guesswork. It provides a clear framework. A framework that can help you make smart decisions. It also reduces anxiety. When you invest in what you understand, you feel more confident. When you think long-term, you don't sweat the small stuff. This peace of mind is priceless. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about slow and steady growth. It's about making your money work for you. Section 11, a path to financial success. Warren Buffett's 3 rules are more than just investment advice. They are life lessons. They teach you to be patient, to think long-term, to focus on value. These are principles that can lead to success in all areas of your life. So start investing today. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education. Invest in your future. follow Buffett's principles, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself.